This is News Avenue. We are back with a bang. Namhlanje sambele amahhovisi aseseme. Bathi ni Seme House. La emahhovisi ne-ANC because sifuna besinenhloso yokuzoba nengxoxo ekhethekile noNtokozo Ngcobo uhlalo we-ANC Youth League la e-KZN. Asibingelele pholo.
Asibingelele babuPlosa.
Kuyintokozo ukuthi sibe nani namhlanje.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Nasijabula ukuba nani namhlanje.
Yeah, simlandile uPholoba because kunezinto eziningi esifuna ukuyikhuluma zabantu ezithinta abantu abasha njengohlalo wabantu abasha eKZN balekile ukuthi awukwazi ukukhuluma ngezinto zabantu abasha but ungamthinti uPholoba kuyena owengamele abantu abasha ekakhulu ophikweni leANC iANC Youth League. Kumnandi ukuthi sihleli naye namhlanje sombuza this and that ezinye uyazi ukuthi zizothulubela ezinye zizobuyela kanene but sizokhuluma nalo ngaba yini ngoba naye akasentharishanga uthi asikhulume nje le ndaba kungabe inkinga asikhulume ke Pholoba mhlawumbe umuntu omusha oyilungu le-Youth League yini ngimele expect ku Youth League or kwi leadership nje ko structure se-Youth League.
Okokuqala okubalekile iANC Youth League ijoinwa umuntu omusha oneminyaka ewu14 kuya phezulu. Kanti kwi-ANC kubantu abadala ukwazi ukujoyina masuku 18 years kuya phezulu. The reason iANC Youth League ijoinwa umuntu ono14 years kuya phezulu ukuthi sifisa ukuthola umuntu omusha noma osuke esamncane eza kwi-ANC Youth League with the hope yokuthi akwazi ukuthi afunde not ukuthi afunde ipolitiki but akwazi ukufunda njengomuntu omusha osuke esakhula ekuhlaleni akwazi ukufunda izinto zempilo in general ama life skills akwazi ukuthi azithuthukise yena njengomuntu omusha noma akwazi ukubona impilo nje la hlala khona ukuthi lokho ku right mangikwenza lokho akukho right mangikwenza ngathuthukisa kanjani umphakathi wangasekhaya ngakwazi kanjani ukuyithuthukisa mina esikoleni kufanele ngifunde kanjani. That is the reason iANC Youth League decided ukuthi iqale from the age of 14 ukuze ikwazi ukuthi sikhule naye umuntu omusha from the very early age umuntu akwazi ukukhuluma ngezinto zasekuhlaleni and also akwazi ukukhuluma ngezinto ezikwazi ukumthuthukisa yena njengomuntu osemncane.
Nokuyazwakala sikhuluma naye uNtokozo Ngcobo owuhlalo weANC Youth League la eKZN basanda kukhethwa nje basaphethe basazogijima nayo nale ndima yokuphatha iYouth League abantu abasha bophiko leANC Youth League niseyiyona leader society.
The ANC Youth League and the ANC it is a leader of a society. Iqinise limsulwa uma uhamba ngisho nawe uma kunento esemphakathini you always reference kwi-ANC ukuthi uyabona ku-ANC abantu basakholelwa kukhongolose abantu basakholelwa ukuthi uANC yiwo wakwazi ukuthi uguqule izinto ezithize zakwazi ukusibeka la sikhona namhlanje but esingese kuphikeke ukuthi isociety inento eziningi ezicabangayo and also idlanzana elithize within isociety yethu singavuma ukuthi linayo eminye imbono esingaze sithi ke mhlambe ke idlanzana elithile liyakholela ukuthi uANC akaseyona leader of society but where we stand we believe ukuthi iANC is still a leader of society baningi abantu abasakholelwa kuANC ukuthi usangakwazi ukushintsha impilo zabo bese kuthi abanye basho futhi ukuthi uANC usangakwazi ukuguqula impilo zabo ekuhlaleni uma ungalungisa ukuthi nokuthi but ekutheni iANC isayi leader in of society yes it's still the leader of society.
Ngiyakubuza lo mbuzo ehlalo because kunezinto eziningi ezenzeka kwi-society la expecta khona ufu siba literal nje ne-meaning yakhona ukuthi umuntu uyi-leader e-society la expecta khona ukuthi abantu abazobe be-champion or be-leader lezo zinto iANC or iANC Youth League but half of the time iANC or iANC Youth League is nowhere to be found.
If ngingayingene lapho Mr Bloss umsebenzi wethu as iANC Youth League eyokuhlanganisa wonke umuntu omusha ophilayo ekuhlaleni ukuthi abe active ekuhlaleni noma emphakathini wakhe kwizinto ezihlukahlukene. One, abantu esifanele sibadrowe within the ANC Youth League umuntu omusha one-NPO owenza i-stage play, obhizi ne-debate, obhizi nama-activities somewhere emphakathini wakhe. I-ANC Youth League lowo muntu not ukuthi imiyekise azojoyina i-ANC Youth League but ikwazi ukuthi imsupport.
Umlekelele.
Uma simlekelela lowo muntu loyo, we are saying kwi-society siyazigqaja ngezinto abazenzayo and they must carry on nalowo msebenzi abawenzayo just to give them support. We have a responsibility thina ekuhlaleni as i-ANC Youth League ukuthi sivisite each and every corner, raise awareness on career lokhuzane opportunities akhona. We should enlighten abantu abasha ukuthi manje umnotho wethu usufuna these opportunities. Na into ekumele sizonikeza yona information. I-ANC Youth League kufanele yenze lokho. I-ANC Youth League kufanele ivakashele izikole, ikhulume ngalama careers engikhuluma ngayo, iphinde raise awareness on issues of GBV, issues of early pregnancy or teenage pregnancy. We should be doing that kuwona wonke ama branches ethu as ANC Youth League. If uhamba ubuka i-constitution ye-ANC Youth League nawo wonke ama statutes, iyona into ekufanele siyenze imihla namalanga. Ngeke silibalekeleke iphuthu ukuthi some areas of umphakathi wethu noma kwezinye indawo in the province yethu KwaZulu Natal kunabantu abenza kahle lezi zinto engikhuluma ngazo, bakhona futhi abangenzi kahle lezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo, but iqinisweni emphakathini ANC Youth League ayibhekile umuntu kuphela one interest into politics, but the ANC Youth League cares about this young person who has not decided also ukuthi mina I'm choosing this political party noma yini, but as the ANC Youth League we should go to him or her and say here are the opportunities akhona, nazi indlela zokwenza izinto, but also singakushiya ekutheni kufanele sizame ukumchazela ngento ezenzakalayo emhlabeni in general.
Into engicaza kakhulu nobhalo lelo iphinde njalo ethi kufanele. I-ANC Youth League iqala nini ukuzenza lezi zinto because ukhuluma ngama good policies yabo. Lezi zinto ezichazayo zinhle ziyathandeka but ziqala nini ukwenzeka because uthi kufanele nawo engabe kwenzeka kanje but yini ebamba ukuthi kungenzeki.
Mina la ngiphuma khona, maybe I should give you a context because akufanele sikhulume ngento esingazenzi. I'm leading an NPO at Claremont.
Yeah.
We do career exhibitions. We do our programs afana nabo basic computer practice, accredited computer practice. We're doing cashier courses. We're doing awarenesses to schools, drug and awareness campaigns as well as Emihla Namalanga. It's an NPO, Sakisizwe Community Project. It's based in Claremont. We do trainings. You understand? Me as a chairperson of the ANC Youth League, I sit in an NPO. I do that. So I don't want to go to ngibeke ngazuthi yinto esifisa ukuyenza but esingayenzi. You have a number of young people based in Lamontville who are also part of Ichoni Makatini, which is an NPO which is there, Lamontville. They are participating. They are working on daily basis. If you go to Prince Cyril, Lamontville again, Kona Ingweti, it's a youth organization, NPO. They are participating. They are doing very well. They are working on daily basis. It's an NPO, young people. They are also members of the ANC Youth League. You understand? So not that we are talking about something, I'm saying we are part of these institutions. It's just that we can't be saying I'm a chairperson of the ANC Youth League, hey, this is what I do on another organization. Because we are in this platform, it's important to siyichaze lezi zinto ukuthi asikhuluma izinto esingazenzi. Sikhuluma ngezinto esizenzayo on daily basis. We are part of these programs that are taking place with society yethu. We are part of these activities that are taking place with society yethu. I'm part of a program ela eThekwini yaka sport, which is a KZN Academy. I'm participating there. We train kids from the age of 10 years up until 19 years, we have produced a number of soccer players. It's an NPO. I'm participating there. So I'm saying there are other young people, except myself, who are there, who are doing these activities. If you may ask me, Uguti, ngapha when you go to Zululand, King Echwayo, how many other NPOs, you will be shocked. People or comrades who are members of the ANC Youth League, leaders who are ANC Youth League, who are part of these NPOs and institutions akhona kwi-society yethu on daily basis abasebenzayo. Akufanele sikhulume into esingazenzi. Sikhuluma ngezinto ezikhona ezenzakalayo esiyi-part of it on daily basis.
Ngiyajabula ngoba ukhuluma ngama-programs efana participate kuwona izinto ezenzeka nasemphakathini. But omunye uzobuza nobhala ukuthi yazi kuke kwaba nesimo esibuhlungu esivelela umndeni wakwaDlamini. But I hate to say ukuthi that thing, that even the march was driven by people abengekho kwipolitiki kwesinye isikhathi, understand that. But we have people like ANC abayi-leader ye-society that will expect ukuthi bazo player that leading role kwi-society. Ingabe sengathi ngine-vacuum, understand? Kwenzeka into ekanje ulinde ukuthi nayi ANC yayi-raise isandla iyokukhala mhlambe kubani kwi-owner ye-flat lelo, iyakukhuluma nobani bani, kuzanywe ngo-connection we-ANC ukuthi umnumzane lo anathathwa abekwe endaweni ethize safe. Ngisengenza ama-examples akanjalo, but i-ANC Youth League was nowhere to be found.
Maybe mabloss asiqale ekutheni asidlulise ukuzwelana nomndeni wakwaDlamini, and also sidlulise amazwi enduduzo kwi-family yonke, abangani nawo bonke abantu abasondelene nomndeni, and nabantwana abadlulile emhlabeni, yabo, and also nawokhona osesibhedlela. We need to say, as the ANC and the ANC Youth League, siyazwelana nomndeni. Isimo engicabanga ukuthi akekho umuntu ofisa ukuba asibone uma esaphila emhlabeni, because kuyinto esuke ingalindelekile, and suddenly you just lose abantwana. On top of that, akekho umuntu ofisa ukusondela eduze quickly kubona lobo bumnyama osuke ubhekene nabo. But secondly, ngifisa ukuveza ukuthi kungamampungu ukuthi i-ANC Youth League ibingekho, because i-ANC Youth League ibikhona, inikeziwe islot ukuthi ikhulume namanye ama-political organizations. I-ANC Youth League iparticipate-ile laphaya, usomlomo nje waseThekwini, uyena owayekhuluma laphaya uMfeka, ekhulumela i-ANC Youth League iyonkana. So namanye ama-political parties akwazi ukuthi anikezwe ithuba lokuthi akhulume ngalusuku on Monday. But also,
so were you leading that march?
We were leading.
Nina, as the ANC?
We were part of the march.
Not leading a march? I'm
not sure when you say leading, as in first phambili, noma we should make a call to say siyo march akusasa.
Second one.
Siyo march akusasa. No, the call was everywhere. The call was everywhere.
So it was led by the ANC Youth League or ANC?
No. It was not the ANC Youth League that said siyo march on Monday. There was a call that was made
by who?
Let me come to that. One, the call was made by Jacinta, and we respect Jacinta. Mhlampe we must also put this into context. The ANC Youth League in KwaZulu-Natal and the ANC Youth League in general. I think akekho umuntu wakwathi we don't support a program ka Jacinta, which is March on March. It's a very good program. What she raised, it's something that the society yonke in general is in support of yon. So ukuthi it's Jacinta that made the call. It doesn't say ukuthi kufanele singayi attend. Jacinta made the call. I think even other institutions.
Why didn't you make that call as the leader of the society?
Why we never made a call first? I don't think it will be fair to judge who made the call first.
Because no. I'm asking that question based on I'm talking to a leader in society now, or
maybe let me clarify it also. When kuvela into on Monday, kune march. the ANC Youth League in eThekwini also babe nento yokuthi they will do a march also on Wednesday, of which I found it ukuthi it was so brave ukuthi bathi we're not gonna do it on Wednesday. We're also gonna combine ourselves with a march ekhona engo Monday, ne? So I think where I am ukuthi we never made a call first. The iTheku as indawo ekwenzeke khona isigameko, they made a call to say we're gonna have a march on Wednesday. But uma kuvela into ethi kune march
overtake.
No. We don't take it to ukuthi overtake it. We don't take it like that. We take it as ukuthi i-reality ekufanele siyiface Babu Plus. Iqinise limsulwa. Uma kuwukuthi ama institutions kunomuntu amsupportayo, akusho ukuthi thina kufanele sibe against that. Usis Jacinta, what she's doing regarding indaba yama illegal immigrants or foreign nationals, it's a call not as the ANC Youth League we are making. It's a call that is, society is looking for. What she's doing, we don't have a problem with it. We're in support because it's a call that the society is looking for. Understand? So if Jacinta makes a call, ukuthi on Monday, siyavuka, siya kwi-march, and bese iqhamuka ne-MKP ithi siya kwi-march on Monday, ne-ANC Youth League yenzile leyo call ukuthi we're going for a march, so let's go and attend. We never looked at it ukuthi ubani owenza i-call iqala. We thought ukuthi this is a good initiative that needs to be supported, and all institutions or all organizations should go and partake. That's how we looked at it. We never looked at it ukuthi i-call yenziwe uBlose.
Yeah.
No. Tina, we looked at it ukuthi this is a good initiative. It needs to be supported. Besithi siyoyenza Tina is an organization on Wednesday. Let's leave it. Now let's go and attend this one. And we must be honest.
Yeah.
Kunabantu abangafisa ukuyihlanganisa nama political parties. Abayi-attendayo into because they believe ukuthi this is an NPO or a non-profit organization or an institution that is not affiliated
So
with
like
anything.
March and March.
So people will go there. So now why sizokwenza into yethu eceleni as a political party? Kukhona nabanye abantu abakwi-society abathi thina so attend into kaJacinta. No, Jacinta has made a call, and other political parties are saying let's attend into kaJacinta. Not we don't have a problem with her. We don't have a problem with the campaign. In fact, we appreciate the campaign. We then joined as one bloc, and it was a good success. We appreciate all political parties that were there because into eyenzeka yakhombisa ukuthi society yakwazi ukuhlangana for a good cause.
Ngiyakuzwa Pholoba ukuthi bengibuza kakhulu ngendaba yokuba a leader of society. Ngisuke ngathi back of my mind, if you are a leader of the society in such initiatives, uthatha i-lead wena uqhamuka kuqala uthi guys, no man, into eyenzekile lapha ayikho right. As the ANC a leader in society, we must do something before omunye azaqhamuke nayo abantu fanele bakhombe bathini umkhomba indlela. Understand that? Because fan balide siyalidwa thina silidwa i-ANC. I-ANC nayo bese imbandakanye. It leaves much to be desired, but that is okay. We're talking to uNtokozo Ngcobo, uhlalo we-ANC Youth League la esifundazweni sase KZN. Before nje sishawe isikhathi hlalo akedlulele kulento i-Youth League isikhathi esiningi bibonakala njengento more of a preparatory school bayibiza kanjalo. Bingayinaki izinto eziningi zepolitiki kangako ubona bebe raise a point kwi public, and then sesiyobe sesiya engage as a public or ama politicians ay contextualize abesezama ukuthi ayenze besemgqeni. But sibona ANC Youth League of late, even the president yakhona is deeply involved kulezi zinto ze motherboard. You understand? Nokuthi kwenzakalani izinto mhlawumbe efanele ngabe iphawulwa ilokhuzana i-motherboard uyithola ukuthi sekuyiyona esiphambili. Mhlawumbe Isizathu saloko ngoba njengoba siqalile wasibalela ama-issues athinta young people, especially ngichazekile ngoba uthinta nento ethinta even employment nokuthi abantu abasha babe-involved. But manje nigxile kakhulu and niphawula nezinto ey'rongi at the same time. Once nabona ama-cameras nje ziyaduma. Example,
Okay.
President we-ANC akaze into ayinike i-thought. Uyabona? Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi akagxile 2 weeks down the line. No, we made a mistake. I apologize. You understand leyo?
Yeah.
I don't know whether kwenzeka over excitement, but ngathi nigxile kakhulu i-question yami ey'ntweni ezenzeka kwi-mother board. Ngiseza kule ethinta isimo sezwe manje GPU, especially wena ngoba izoba relevant le ethinta i-GPU. Ngiseza lapho but ungangiphendula kule ngibuzayo.
The first one engifisa ukuyithinta ukuthi it's not true ukuthi the ANC Youth League before yayinga-engage on issues of politics or issues that are pertaining the society in general. The ANC Youth League in 1943, before the formation of the ANC Youth League in 1944, on its document, they raised a number of issues. One, which was a clarification why the ANC Youth League should be established. And two, how the ANC should then start the inclusion of young people within its ranks. And also they also spoke about indaba ye ANC ukuthi is positiona kuphi in the context of Africa and izwe noma umhlaba wonke in general. It was the ANC Youth League. It was the ANC Youth League that said,
mhlawumbe bongasikhumbuza ama-leaders of leso sikhathi like Anthony Lembede, I think.
Yes, it was Anthony Lembede, Abo Sisulu, Abo Mandela. It's people or comrades ababengayibuki i-ANC yase South Africa. And the reason they were bringing that narrative to say i-ANC akuyona i-ANC yase South Africa, and i-ANC mayikhuluma kufanele ingakhulumi ibuke ama-issues enzeka kuphela eSouth Africa, but i-ANC mayikhuluma should look at ama-issues ase-South Africa and also ase-Africa in the continent and in the global lokhuzana in general. Now I'm saying the ANC Youth League was engaging on issues of politics angayithinti kuphela-ke i-ANC kuphela kwi-context yase-South Africa. They were even giving more information on how other countries are evolving, and also nathi how can we adapt as a South Africa, and also how can we view certain things as a South Africa, and also as the ANC in general. So that was the ANC Youth League at the time. But if you even move, you remember there was even COSAS. Before 1955, the Freedom Charter, which then adopted and even gave reasons why we should adopt the Freedom Charter. It was COSAS. If you go to the 1980s, there are other institutions which were in support of the UDF and even explaining why the UDF in the context of KwaZulu-Natal should be supported. I'm saying abantu abafana nabo Chikumete to come and rise balide on the UDF days. It was not abantu abadala that were influencing that. It was young people that were influencing that. Abantu abasha within ama ranks, you can name abo Mamututu Ngcobo, the late. Currently, you can name abo Baba Stalin, although they were old at that time. But it's people ababe shuguthi nansi youth within ama ranks KwaZulu-Natal and even outside. Abasho ukuthi this is a good call to have UDF and we must support it. And UDF, it was not only an ANC or a set, it was it was people in general in the society
united.
fighting for what is right. Yayibona leyo nto leyo. So I'm saying mina ukuthi i-influence yabantu abasha in the politics and what should happen, it was there, it has never stopped. So ukuthi what we raised in as the ANC Youth League in the politics in general, we are not wrong. And it's not that ukuthi iqala manje le nto. You can track it back. Even if you can leave South Africa and go to the international politics and check in the international politics ukuthi the role of young people or organizations that were youth-based, how had they influenced the politics of that country or even the politics or the global politics in general. Young people, they've been playing that part. They've been influencing what is happening in the society in general, even nasemazweni abo. So I'm trying to say we are not wrong when we raise these things as the ANC Youth League, and not that ukuthi sisuke sesijumpe the gun, or not that ukuthi sisuke sesingene la kungamele singene khona. I-reality kufanele sithi sikhuluma, but also sibe sikhuluma naloko kuthinta abantu abasha.
Bengibheka nje ehlalo because ungikhumbuza indaba yokuthi as i-African National Congress Youth League inibhekele nje holistically bowulanda umlando. But omunye uzoyibuza ukuthi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi niyamsupport uJacinta, but khona abantu aba-concerned ukuthi khona some of our South Africans are all over the world. Understand? Mhlawumbe nifila kanjani ngabo laba abangaphandle bebebone ngathi these other countries maybe seeing ukuthi their brothers and sisters are ill-treated mhlawumbe South Africa vis-a-vis, I mean nabo banabantu kuna-South Africans ayinqwaba Nigeria, ayinqwaba ko-Malawi, ayinqwaba, but manje bebebuka lama-clip kube sengathi abanye basuke bebaleke ngoba kunezimpi, akusiyo ukuthi bayathanda ukuthi babe la. Understand that? Ngizama ukuthola ehlala ukuthi eyimweni kanjalo vis-a-vis into le initiative le yabona yabo oJacinta ukuthi ithini takeini, ngoba i-reality ithi nakhona kwamanye amazwe bakhona abasi South Africa, asibeki impilo yabo engcupheni.
Yeah, I'm happy ukuthi uyaliraise leli phuzu, because I remember enye entatheli ezimkantshubovu yake yabhala into wrong ukuthi sithe as ANC Youth League KwaZulu Natal abantu abokufika kumele bangaxoshwa. Wabhala. But I'm happy more. Uyayazi entatheli lena.
No, I'm just kidding. I comment.
So angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu, but ngifisa ukuyichaza ipoint esake saliraise. Into esasisho sasithi as i-ANC Youth League, kuyiqiniso elimsulwa ukuthi kunomuntu ophuma eNigeria owudokotela ola eSouth Africa. Kunodokotela ophuma eMalawi ola eSouth Africa, who's here legally, olekelelayo, one practice noma onani somewhere surgery yakhe, who's here in South Africa legally. Uzenzela into yakhe somewhere lapha bese kuba nomuntu futhi othola ukuthi udokotela is here legally, wenza yonke leyo nto leyo, namaphepha, is got years abala udokotela in a government institution. Bese thina siyasuka, lo muntu uqashiwe lapha in a government institution. Bese thina siyasuka siye kulo muntu sithi kunomuntu waseNigeria oqashiwe as uDr. So and so la eSouth Africa, sibe sinodokotela abangaka bahlele eSouth Africa. We felt ukuthi uma senze njalo, we are now triggering even those who are outside in other countries. Ukuthi nabo kulawo mazwe abo shuthi abahambe bayo raise into ethi ufunani uNgcobo la ewudokotela noma usine metron, sibe sinabo abanye onesi noma odokotela in our own country abangasebenzi. So we're saying and raising the people we are talking about, we are saying uma uhamba uqala kuRussell uyofika ePoint. Kugcwele inqwaba yabantu who don't deserve to be here.
Yeah, uyibambe lapho ke Pholo. Ngizama ukuthi mina the very same question yike yaba khona mhlambe kwamanye amazwe, but they decided to accommodate ama-South Africans ngenxa yesimo esasikhona eSouth Africa ngaleso sikhathi. Some of them are experiencing the very same situation or similar situation to us back then, because siyabezwa abaholi bethu, understand, bathi baphuma kanjani eBotswana illegal beya kwamanye amazwe, baphuma kanjani ngeSwaziland beya kwamanye amazwe. You understand? But abafikanga kulawo mazwe, all these countries, because sibazi kakhulu nakuLusaka, you understand? Ko Morocco, whatever. But abatrithwanga njengabe thina senza. Akufanele sivumelane nawo ukuthi bakhona abakwamanye amazwe bala because of ama situations athize. You understand? Babe sebengena la illegal ngoba ngathi ukungena awungeni kahle kwesinye isikhathi. Ama leaders ethu abengangeni kahle emazweni amanye. Kwafanele abanje nabaxoxa, babaxoxa.
No, you are very correct. Ukuthi kunama leaders ethu ngokwesikhathi noma ngesikhathi sibhekene nezinkinga thina eSouth Africa. Bahamba bayobhaca kulawo mazwe. And mebefika kulawo mazwe bathola indlela yokuhlala noma impatho eyayinhle. Abanye noma singasho ukuthi impatho eyayinhle but singasho ukuthi abatholanga ukuhlukumezeka. Kuyiqiniso lemsulwa lelo. But iqiniso ekufanele siliface elokuthi uma usuka la uye eTanzania ubuza ukuthi abasosha noma ama-South Africans ayeze la ngokuthi azobhaca noma ngezikhathi zokuthi eSouth Africa kwakunenkinga ayehlalaphi, they will show you. Ngeke bakukhombise iSouth Africa iTanzania yonke, but they will show you 2 locations. Even namanje usanama record. Namanje usanama record. If you go to Tanzania. If you go to Zambia, you will be shown ukuthi these are 3 locations that South Africans used to stay during exile. Ayehlala la, ayehlala la, ayehlala la. Now,
ababaxoshanga.
No.
But baba allocate somewhere.
Baba allocate.
Thina siyabaxosha.
Baba allocate. That's where I want us to go. Now, in a context of South Africa or what is happening manje, umuntu usuka ezweni lakhe athi kunenkinga, ayibaleka athi kunenkinga economically, or there are no opportunities, or what, or maybe there is war or whatever. But umuntu angabe sehamba ngeprocess thina esasihamba ngayo, noma engilindele ukuthi mhlambe kufanele ngabe uhamba ngayo.
Kholoba ngithembi la. Bayaphuma bayekubhaceni. Kulamazwe. Baphuma ngopotsho. I think lapho siyavumelana. Abaphumanga kahle. Futhi bangene kulama countries ababeya kuona. Illegal. Understand leyo? Lamazwe laba ba accommodate like ama frontline states. Aba accommodate. But ngithi mina, how do we harmonize then the two? Ukuthi lapha ke manje abakulawa amazwe sebela manje ngenxa yama problems athize ake ngisho kanjalo ngoba ulishize kungena problem.
Bakhona abashiya ngekho ama problem
for greener pastures. So it's fine ngoba nathi angithi sinabo. Sinabo nathi ikhwaliso ko Ireland, ko bani sinabantu abaningi bala eMzansi
Yes.
abafisana nama-problem ngithi mina sidila kanjani nalesi simo bese ba-sober about it. I'm not saying ukuthi abahlale be-illegal kanjalo, but ngithi mina between me and you ithini i-position ye-ANC Youth League or ye-ANC?
Iqiniso limsulwa.
Hayi yokuba popular but honest.
The honest point, and we have raised it as the ANC Youth League, kwi-PGC yethu.
And Northern Cape.
Before siye Northern Cape, raise la kwi-PGC in Ladysmith. Before siye
okay.
kwi-NGC.
All right.
And it's an important point that all of us as South Africans we should engage kulona sikhulume ngalo. I-point esilireizayo ukuthi kunama sections in our constitution that need to be changed.
Oh, okay.
There are certain clauses or certain sections in our constitution that need to be changed. 1, section 27 need to be changed.
Yeah.
2, section 35 and 36 of the constitution need to be changed.
Yeah.
Why are we saying so? 1, if you say South Africa belongs to everyone who lives in it,
Yeah.
and also mawuthi we should the medical health care, should be given to everyone, or everyone should have access to medical health care. Everyone ubani? In the context, you got everyone. Who's everyone? When we say everyone who lives in it, like who? Because sifike sicacise ngendlela yethu, and everyone mele subheke ukuthi wawubekwa in what context. Sasingakhulumi ngana South Africans. Ne? And I think I was happy a few days ago or a few weeks ago when I noticed even the Minister of Finance was saying the same thing. Ukuthi there are certain sections in our constitution ekufanele ashintshwe. Because even today, almost you decide ukuthi lo muntu nalo muntu is here illegally, or lo muntu nalo muntu shouldn't be getting lama services, bese beyahamba bayosebenzisa section 35 ukuthi lo muntu unelungelo of 1 2 3 4 5.
Yeah.
Now we are saying ukuthi before we are honest about our constitution, ukuthi izogcina yona the very same document yethu idala a problem within the society in general, because right now kunabantu abama ecabheni kuma clinics naseyibhedlela bethi wena Blose ngoba uthanda uba nebala elimnyama kumele ungangeni la, veza idocument yakho oqala ukuthi kufanele nibe la eSouth Africa, thola ukuthi awuyena kwa South Africa, bese lo muntu athi ucela ukuzongena because uyagula uyafa, bese uthi wena no, fanele ngabe wena uyitholi i-medical health care or basic medical health care la, because wena you don't have any documentation, you are here illegally. So we are saying ukuthi then if you do that, it's now tampering with the constitution or certain sections in the constitution, and these NGOs amanye ahamba ayosebenzisa section 35 in the court to now say government is denying abantu this and that, or 1 2 and 3 basic lokhuzane living conditions noma ama rights abo. So we are saying ukuthi kunezinto that need to be changed
the constitution. Ngiyakuzwa Pholoba kuwukuthi nina nithembakala ngoba le constitution idinga 2/3 majority ukuthi uyishintshe. At one stage ngathi nangawuthola nathi no, it's fine kuzoqhubeka kanjalo. So ngiyayizwa into eshoyo kodwa manje futhi besiba realistic ngathi lento ya 2/3 majority izothanda ukuba ubuqathana, yabona, ngokwe-reality, ngokwe-reality. Bengifuna Pholoba before sivale, by the way sakhuluma naye uhlalo we-ANC Youth League kwi-province, talking about this and that in as far as ama-matters politics are concerned. Vele sesiya ngokweyivala, but asikwazi ukuyivala ngaba sibenza ubulungiswa singakhuluma ngendaba ethinta i-GPU. Njengamanje ukukhulunywa ngo-NFP ukuthi bacabanga ukuphula out. Ngiyayibona ke NFP shame, because NFP ngathi nama ama-politics ayo or ama-differences ayo msalufu because uthi uyavuka namhlanje kuthiwa upresident u-issues statement esithi 3 hours late upresident uya-withdraw ngakapheli usuku uhlalo weprovince usethi yena akahlangene nalento esho understand i-problem kakhulu le ngicela singayi-entertain cela but sibheke kakhulu kule ye-youth league ehlalo yokuthi inesifiso sokuthi i-motherboard iphule out from i-GPU ngezathu ekade ninarrate esi-understandayo. How far have you gone with that thing eni-championayo ukuthi mhlampe i-ANC ivele iphume total? Ngiya-understanda kuzoba ne-vote of no confidence once wayivuma uspeak slidile sibhekile ukuthi uthini ngayo, but ANC Youth League kule situation ekhona ethinta i-GPU nithini ngayo? I'm mindful of the fact futhi ukuthi lilani ka convince ANC le ukuthi ayiphule ama-deployees out ayo then seniphumile ku-GPU and angazi noma nizoyivuma yini isandla esilulwa mhlambe MKP ukuthi mhlambe nihlangane nayo ifuna ngayivumi mhlambe yini reason sesobe sesiya ngasemaphethelweni esihlanu.
No, I think okubalekile bayoblosa eqala kumele si appreciate journalists and media houses, including your institutions, yourself and others, you know, they have been very fair. Ukuthi instead of ukuthi kuzwakala ukuthi sithi kugcina kudistorteka information ngcono basondele eduze basibuza ukuthi siqonda ukuthini ngokuthi, you understand. So one need to appreciate that yabo ukuthi there was never a day la kutholakala khona ukuthi kule point ye-GPU this is what we wanted to say, then bese information or what we are saying get distorted kukhulunywe ngenye into. So I wanted to appreciate that first,
especially from a News Avenue.
News Avenue, as I said, nawe uqobo lwakho, i-reason ngisho njalo ukuthi this is a very important point, and into ishoyo once iyaphuma ngenye indlela ilahla yonke iminingi ade ufisa ukuba nayo. So i-point lethu from day one esilishoyo ukuthi akekho umuntu owawina ama-elections KwaZulu Natal. You can now say mina ngathola kakhulu kunawe, mina ngathola kangaka, kodwa you did not win elections. It's a fact ekufanele siyibheke.
But
it still doesn't mean anything because you did not win elections. If you won elections, then
overall win.
No, there is no one. If you say you're an overall winner, askoqa izandla sonke, go uyoqhubekele wena wakho government alone. Because unaleyo nto ukuthi I'm an overall winner. So no overall winner la. You did not win. Akekho winile. So indlela yethu okutreatana should not be as if mina ngwinile wena winanga.
Mutual respect.
We should have a mutual respect. We should respect one another.